Hello guys, I am Pruthviraj Sijala and I welcome you in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you connection of tube light. So guys, let's start. For connection of tube light, you have to just first see a diagram. So as you can see in diagram, we have to just connect the phase wire to the chalk and from chalk to filament, and from filament upper side starter is connected, and then the second port of filament to neutral wire. So let's see in the practically. So guys, as you can see here I connected a starter at the one terminal of the filament and the second port of starter to the second point of the filament. Then chalk is connected with the series of the power supply. So guys, as you can see, light is on. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.